Did you know that according to Forthwith Life, 63% of women say that their life has been negatively affected by their menopausal symptoms? Some developed depression, anxiety, while others lost all their confidence in their work. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Holistic Collective, where you will find a number of videos that will help you to keep fit. Today, we are going to talk about some natural remedies for all symptoms of menopause and what research has to say about it. Women on menopause naturally tend to make more mistakes, lose interest in a number of things, and even have terrible mood swings, more so than when they are on their periods. But what if women could tackle these problems naturally, not with medicines but by changing their lifestyle and adopting alternatives to modern science? At the end of this video, you'll also find a few questions that women generally have before or during or after their menopause journey. So stick around for some of your questions to be answered. Menopause may be uncomfortable, but it is a normal and natural phenomena that every woman has to go through at least once in her life. But that doesn't mean that your journey needs to be full of uncomfortable thorns and unwanted pains, right? There are many symptoms of menopause that are caused by changes in the level of estrogen, progesterone, and overall reduction in the reproductive hormones. Some common symptoms include hot flashes, itchiness, bloatedness, forgetfulness, and sleepiness, but these are only a small fraction of it. Menopause naturally occurs in women at the age of 45 to 55 years and lasts up to 7 to 14 years. And the earlier it occurs, the longer it lasts. So how can we help deal with it naturally? Menopause can be quite bothersome and troubling, but it doesn't have to be. We don't want you to break the handle of your life just because menopause started. Here are a few remedies and lifestyle changes that could help you have a calming and smooth menopausal journey. Please note that these remedies, especially herbal remedies, plant alternatives, and dietary supplements, have side effects when ingested with prescription medicines. Natural approaches are not risk-free, so always consult your doctor on the specifics before trying anything in this list. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. You might also like our affiliate products. Check it out in the description down in the bio. And now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Today, we will touch on 3 symptoms and the remedial options that can help tackle them. Number 1. Memory problems. Do you have that moment when you were about to say something just a second ago but can't for the life of you remember what it was? Or maybe you saw something and you know the word but it keeps slipping your mind. Many women start noticing the lapse in memory after a couple of mishaps, even though it may not be a sign of old age and could be because there are so many things to remember that you lose track of it sometimes. But it may also be a sign of menopause and a sign to make some lifestyle changes. These situations can be frustrating and annoying, and there are a few ways that can help oil the gears in your brain. A. Green tea. Being one of the healthiest drinks on the planet, green tea is said to be associated with many health benefits due to it being loaded with antioxidants. And even though it contains less caffeine than coffee, it helps in keeping you alert and improves your brain activity like memory, mood, vigilance, and reaction time. It is also readily available, making it more desirable. Just remember that it is an acquired taste and it will take you a few days to get used to it. B. Adequate sleep. Our brain requires a cool down period to process the information from the entire day. A good night's sleep can help strengthen the memory. Also, a sleep deprived individual is bound to lose focus and attention, leading to even more memory gaps. C. Stress management. Short-term stress can also lead to memory loss and problems in learning ability, and memory glitches may be an indicator of your stress levels. A few things that can build up stress may be taking care of the house, managing time for both family and work, dealing with menopausal symptoms, or ailing parents. It can also lead to heart problems, health problems, and even lead to weight gain. Number 2. Hot flashes. Hot flashes all year round and bloatedness doesn't help either. It just makes them more sensitive to their body changes. When women ask for a hot body, menopause isn't what they had in mind, but it is something that can't be helped, or can it? Due to hormonal changes, the blood vessels in the body widen up, which leads to increased body temperatures, causing hot flashes. They are quite common in menopausal women due to the hormonal changes occurring in their bodies. It may present itself during the day or in the middle of the night. Using fans and AC can be a temporary relief. Here are some natural remedies that can reduce hot flashes. Come to your rescue. A. Soy sauce. Research says that soy has physiologically similar activity to that of estrogens and helps in relieving the symptoms of menopause, including hot flashes. Black cohosh is also a good herbal remedy in that regard. But heed caution, the risk of using these increases if you are already on estrogen therapy or having breast cancer. B. Avoid trigger food. You might have noticed that eating some food makes you sweat a lot more than other food. Keep a list of these items and try to avoid eating them because these can cause you to have those hot flashes even in the coldest of weather. Some trigger foods could be spicy noodles, beef, alcohol, or even caffeine. C. French maritime bark extract. This plant supplement can help in your blood circulation, but it is highly recommended to take this supplement based on your doctor's advice because it directly interacts with blood thinner and affects your blood pressure. Number 3. Weight gain. It is quite common to gain a few pounds during premenopause, and many continue to gain weight even after menopause. And the only way to stop that and bring those numbers down is to change your lifestyle and diet. A. Stress management. Stress also causes you to vent it out by taking in those huge amounts of food. Overeating and unhealthy eating could alter your cortisol and insulin, interfering with your metabolism and causing you to gain weight. To tackle metabolic changes, you can check out our previous video on it, link below. B. Healthy diet. A healthy diet is the best way to ensure that you lose that weight. Due to hormonal changes, your metabolism slows down and your body starts handling the calories differently. Change your eating habits and include a proper menopause diet that will help you in your menopausal years. C. Exercise. We have 20 plus videos to emphasize the benefits of exercise. It is a tool to increase your lifespan, improve your mood, keep you healthy, and de-stress. And even though it doesn't affect the body weight as much as your food intake, it helps to keep your body fit. But as you near your menopause, exercise needs to become a regular physical routine. So make sure that you include various stretching, cardio, and floor exercises in your workout routine. Do you have any of these menopausal symptoms? And what is your method of relieving yourself of these symptoms? Let us know your answers in the comments below. Before we move on, did you like this video and subscribe to our channel yet? Do it now. We'll wait. As mentioned at the start of the video, we'll address a few questions that women usually ask. What are the symptoms of menopause? As mentioned before, there's a huge list, and this list includes more than 30 symptoms: insomnia, depression, anxiety, reduced libido, headaches, reduced bone mass, urinary tract infections or UTIs, and thinning or loss of hair are only a few on that list. Are there different types of menopause? Yes, there are mainly 3 types: perimenopause, menopause, postmenopause. Perimenopause can occur 10 years before menopause actually begins, but this does not make it impossible to get pregnant. Continue to use birth control practices unless the pregnancy is desired up until menopause actually begins. Menopause is the halt of a woman's menstrual cycle. Once menopause begins, women cannot get pregnant. Postmenopause is the 10 years that follow menopause. This period of time can not only be uncomfortable with symptoms such as hot flashes, but can also put them at risk for other health conditions such as osteoporosis. So, it's a good call to be in touch with your doctor. What are the signs of true menopause? The 3 clearest signs are an irregular menstrual cycle, light periods, or complete halt of menstruation. Menopause can be hard and troublesome. But when it gets really stressful, walk yourself out of your bad mood. Do something that lifts your spirit. Don't just be good to others, but be good to yourself too. We'll see you again next time with a video that helps to keep you healthy and happy. But until then, as we at the Holistic Collective always say, avoid stress, eat right, work out, sleep well, take care of your body, and yeah, never forget to smile. Bye.